Hi guys, so we're going to go through a banded glenohumeral internal rotation eccentric. So for this I've got a band that I've attached to the bottom of the post here, and I'm going to basically adopt the elbow on knee internal rotation eccentric position. So from here the movement will be this to my end range for internal rotation, and then I will reset. So how I will do this exercise is take a band, take hold of it, rest the elbow on my knee. Now to begin with, the band is going to create a lot of resistance for me to get into the start position. So what I do is I collapse the knee, I let it drop in. From here, you see my elbows open, I curl the band into this position, and then holding this position, I start to bring my knee back into that starting position. I can adjust a little bit to adjust my body so I get a nice line of tension in terms of where I feel the band pulling. So I can really get specific in terms of what angle I position myself against the post where the band's attached to feel how it pulls me eccentrically. So then from here, you want to feel that you've got a good amount of tension, that you feel the band is pulling you in a bit, and then you control the eccentric down. So I'm slowly keeping tension, slowly lowering, and the band is pulling me, and I'm keeping that resistance. And then afterwards, once I get to my end, collapse the knee, close the elbow, come back to that start, and then control that eccentric slowly down. So here I'm resisting the band, but slowly allowing the band to win this battle, almost like a tug of war. Okay? And then what I can do as well is say I don't feel like I've got a great amount of tension, I might want to adjust, move back a bit. Same thing as I go through the movement. Okay, it will start to maybe get a little bit easier as I get into this position here. I realize the tension starting to ease off. So what I can do is drop my knee back a little bit more to load the band a little bit more and create more tension. So to recap, to set up for the next rep, collapse the knee inwards, close the elbow, hold this position, externally rotate the shoulder and open up, and then holding external rotation, you slowly eccentrically move into internal rotation, resisting the band. As it starts to get a bit easier, you can make this harder by increasing the length of the band, move the knee back a bit more, continue the journey.